Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Bobby G, and we're coming back to you with another exclusive, another banger on my channel because y'all know only Bobby G can do it the way Bobby G can do it. And today we've got a exclusive that was sent over to us, full transparency, by Crave. So special shout out to Crave. Thank you for sending over these two products for the iPhone 17 Pro Max for us to check out. Now this is going to be part of their dual guard series. So with that dual guard, it's going to be a two-piece case, like a flexible inner TPU and then a harder shell on the back side. We've got it in two different colors today, as y'all can see. We've got it in black, and of course, we've got it in forest green. So the reason why I went with these colors in particular is because, as you guys may know or you may not know, I do have the Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's get into it, okay? So I'm gonna start off with, let me give you the unboxing experience going with this black, okay? So with the case, again, very simplistic. On the back, you're gonna see, of course, it talks to you about the ultra slim design, the shock absorption. I don't see a rating on the website or on the case for that shock absorption, like, you know, fall protection, but it's listed. Premium quality, precise cutouts, and again, just kind of give you their list of different things talking about protecting your device. And they've got that unbeatable warranty. I'll see if I can find kind of some information about that on either Amazon or otherwise. So as you guys can see, opening it up, pretty simplistic right there. And then you just pull it out, like nothing super like frilly or crazy. They don't waste any time with the packaging, just a box. Put that to the side with the case. And then inside, here you go, and all of its goodness is the case. Got a little cool little foam piece to keep your case, I guess, protected and together while you're dealing with it. And then here's the case right here, guys. You're gonna have your, you guys can see it right there, action, volume up, volume down button right there. Then you got this, it's textured all the way around. So I'll tell you, it's pleasing, right? It feels good. Don't take that the wrong way, y'all. But it feels good. That texture is pleasing. Then on the bottom, you're gonna have your symmetrical cutouts, your opening for your USB-C, which will take it, you know, and check out more when we put it through the full paces. Now, y'all know my personal feelings on this channel when it comes to covered or open camera control buttons. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, right, guys? When it comes to open camera control buttons, it's not my personal jam. Now, does that mean it's not for you? Hey, you might like it. You might not actually care about that at all. This might be the perfect video and the perfect case for you. But I'm just kind of covering my thoughts. I personally prefer covered camera control buttons, but this might be right up your alley. Then of course you've got your power button right there. Looking at the top, you know, nothing too frilly or anything going on. Back, again, you got the minimal branding at the bottom. So we got Crave that's kind of recessed in there. Pretty cool looking. And then as I mentioned at the very beginning, it's gonna be a two-piece assembly. So you can kind of pull it apart. So you can see right there, it's gonna be your MagSafe magnets. I'm kind of curious how strong they are. We'll test that out. And then of course, in the inside, it's just telling you it's for the 17 Pro Max, if you guys can see that on camera. So that's the assembly, that's kind of the first look around, guys. I've saved you a little bit of time by going ahead and putting this on my 17 Pro Max. Now with that in mind, I am coming from my tank case, okay? So I actually invite you guys, while you're here, go ahead and check out the 17 Pro Max playlist for all the different cases, but specifically check out the video on the tank. It's kind of fugly, but it might win you over like it did for me. But anyways, I digress. You know, that's just a little plug for another video for you guys to check out. But again, as I said, I saved you some time. Just gonna making sure this phone is polished down. And this is the other color that I had. And let me see, let me find the box right here. Forest green. So this is it in forest green. And the reason why I like green is it goes really good contrast with the Cosmic Orange iPhone that I've got. I call it the Ninja Turtle look. So again, here's the look on the left-hand side. Action button, volume up, volume down. Bottom with that orange, so hopefully it's a nice contrast. You guys will be able to see that. On the right-hand side, power button. Let's see how easy it is to use this camera control with that opening. So you guys can see right there, able to open it. Snuggle cup pictures. So no problem with that. Again, it's just not my personal jam, but you know, hey, you know, just keeping it real. All right, so let's look at the front and see what we got for protection. So on this itself, you're gonna see, guys, that we do have this is gonna be on the more minimal side, okay? When it comes to raised camera, or not raised, not camera, the raised face down protection. Now there is still a lip. I'm gonna give it like maybe a couple of hairs. Like you got a little bit of room there. I've got that speak and screen protector, another shameless plug. check out that and the D brand, screen protectors. But anyways, I have a screen protector on there, and I still got a little bit of the room for face down protection, so no problem there. Now let's see here, we've already covered that. We're gonna put it through the USB paces. Now the cool thing about this case in particular, guys, and if you can see it on the camera, it has a really, in my opinion, it's got a pretty hefty raised camera bump protection. So shout out to Crave, y'all did actually a really good job with this, with that raised camera plateau. Yeah, I think that's what we're calling it. Camera plateau protection right there. Minimal branding, they just put the name one time on the bottom. You know who you buying from. Overall, guys, back smooth except for the raised camera plateau, so no problem slamming that down. Not even worried about it. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and let me bring in the black unit because I totally forgot to weigh this. All right, so now we're taking that first look around. Before we get to the other stuff, let's bring in our scales of justice. Make sure that's zeroed out. And then now let's put it through the weigh-in. So this is gonna be the case by itself. It's gonna come in at 54 grams, okay? So 54 grams is going to be what you're adding to your phone. So it's a little bit on the heftier side, but it's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with being hefty. Have a little bit of weight to you. Not in my book, at least. Let me go ahead and bring our phone back in. So that was the black. They're gonna be the same weight. Let's put it through the paces, Bobby G style. First things first, let's bring in our big Chungus USB-C charger. Plug that in and no problem. So you guys can see right here, hopefully good enough on camera. This is the big Chungus and it was able to slide in there. It's tight, like it's right to the limit of this opening, but it's in there, right? It fits. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the volume because now we're about to check that MagSafe and you know we gotta have that auditory satisfaction. Sounds so nice, just satisfying. But yes, MagSafe's gonna work on that. USB-C is gonna fit no problem. Now, you know what I'd like to do after I put on a MagSafe or a charger, just kind of see if there's any kind of transfer on there. I don't see anything on there. Next one is going to be the, you know what I'm talking about, that Camolo. Bring it in, slap it on, and then, look, it's going a little bit janky, but that's not because of the case. Let me see if I can straighten this out. Ugh. Slap it back on there. So really strong magnets. So you're gonna have no problem with your USB-C accessories. All right, so I think we put it through basically our paces. We weighed it, we checked the USB-C, we checked the MagSafe, we checked the accessory strength. Again, I feel like this case for 20 bucks is actually gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna have to use this for a while to give, see if I encounter any issues, but so far I like what I see. Like it's a soft plastic type feeling case, okay? And let me check let me bring this to the microphone so you guys can hear the buttons. So this is the power. This is the action. Volume up. And then volume down. So all the buttons actually feel really good on this. I'm not even worried about that. Again, the only thing that I would probably zonk it on or kind of, observe, it's got a less of a raised front lip, but you still got a lip for your screen protector. The camera plateau protection, that's impressive. Like it's one of the best as far as height goes out of any of the cases out there. So I really do like that. The buttons feel really good and very tactile. USB-C opening is on point, even for the big Chungus. Again, opening camera, that's personal preference. All in all, I think this is a solid case. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do just a quick montage and show you how it looks in the black case. Again, if you've got the orange phone, which is pretty popular this year, so you can make a decision, and then we'll do an outro. All right, let me show you guys how easy it is. My bad, I didn't do it with the first case. Just real quick, to put this on your phone is super simple. You're just gonna separate the two pieces. Soft inner and the hard back outer shell. Bring your phone, put it in your inner shell. Your soft piece first. Once you do that, you're gonna bring it in and slap, and then snap that back on. Very simple, very simple. And here you go. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this. Tried to keep it as short as I can, but I don't want to ever sacrifice quality for time frame, guys. Hopefully you appreciate the information covered for these two Crave cases for the 17 Pro Max. Let's do it. You know what to do, right? Like we always do, go to the comment section. Let's talk about it. What do you guys think about this case? Do you have any experience with them? Do you think you might check them out? You know, especially if you got that cosmic orange color, or, you know, are you gonna pass and why? But just let's have some interaction in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, your opinions and thoughts. I forgot to tell you guys, I think, but before I tell you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just kidding, y'all. Look, I'm just trolling. Okay, so this case in particular right now on Amazon is $10 for this color, but the other ones, when I say this color, I mean the green right here is $10, but the other one's gonna be 20 bucks, okay? Now, I think I've covered everything. Appreciate your time, guys. Peace.